Chilebana similarity ilun non diwa yel bang similar ahi na diwa ka apoy mo ka bangay chile triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF yon chile ka akikimuchi na ilawahi banggen na chile a corresponding side to hilampang AB by DE ratio equal to hilampang AC by DF equal to anway BC by EF. Here ratio tengka equal hi china a corresponding side to in proportion hi china hi similar hi le aki kimu china lo aki bang china hi y similar hi lekha a corresponding angle ye atung lam angle A equal to angle D angle B equal to angle E angle C equal to angle F hilampang a corresponding angle te kha equal similar si ye le apoi mo na hi zat thei a corresponding angle te kha equal hi chi thei di ile congruent yon chi chiang kha triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF aki kim lo na om lo a corresponding side te here ratio ilak tigil kha AB equal to DE hong hidi AC equal to DF BC equal to EF aki kim lo na om lo a corresponding side te kha equal why chia a corresponding angle te le equal chile hi triangle kha theorem ma sa pen kha basic proportionality theorem che hi basic proportionality theorem kha hi zo theorem te khonga le application hongom to de hi ka kha hi kha thei ma sak nge di hi da na theorem min nei te kha a statement on mok piak lo di un chin state and proof a statement le yal di why che approve le hi di state and proof basic proportionality theorem aset dan kha why dan kha hitang tin chin why ja ka statement kha bai hat nge di theorem hi mim kha na jat thei na diwa kha a statement kha bai hat di why che a given a sort for ba gel dan why che approve hiak di bang why ting nga thei masak nge nai to kha a question kha bang if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle yai ting kha given hita yai triangle ABC kha a side khat to parallel dia kha line kha thon ro di BC to parallel din kha ya line khat hon ro le wai line pen kha DE hon chiliang kha hon ro le kha DE hita yai D kha BC to parallel yai ting kha given hi in triangle ABC why kha given ma sa pen why zo se kha DE parallel to BC meeting AB at D and AC at T why ting kha given in triangle ABC DE parallel to BC meeting AB at D and AC at E cái kha given a given a poi mo pen kha triangle ABC DE parallel to BC hi a short form huchi hi le proof hiak di kha to prove DE le BC parallel hi le hiai gial parallel side khat achi pen kha BC hi the other two sides achi kha AB le AC the other two sides are divided in the same ratio hiai kha se ni ong ki suwa hiai kha se ni ong ki suwa hiai ratio to hiai ratio kha equal hi chi an proof in chi hi a proof hiak di kha AD by DB equal to AE by EC hiai kha proof hiak di hiai proof na dia kha hiai a given thing kha proof hiak thi mok lo in chin pol kwa khong ai in a hi sa a theorem te i apply thi na dia kha a construction kha yon bol ngai line bang za hiam kha yon join bi ngai hi wai dia kha a theorem ai ke le axiom om sa te zat thi na dia kha construction on bol di join BE comma DC and draw why draw mai na hiai join ichi teng kha on join phot ne le B kha join di to hiai BE kha non join le kha parallel line kala kha triangle hiai base akibang BC kha triangle ni hong dingin chin triangle standing on the same base in between the same parallel lines are equal in area chi kha pol ko a theorem hi why je ka hiai ratio imu na dia kha area of triangle yon zot nga ihon zat ngai area of triangle is at na dia kha half into base into height half into base into height a height di kha I construct be ngai yai lama perpendicular khat on draw pun lan yai kha BG na tua kha a perpendicular I drop kit nung chu area of triangle zat thi chi nai mai draw BG perpendicular to AC perpendicular to AB cái tiếng ha construction này line li tak join ngai proof ipat mang kha ya D parallel to BC hi le huai kala triangle kha eleute BDC hiai parallel line kala ding BEC le hiai kalma ding triangle standing on the same base and between the same parallel lines are equal in area a area of equality nai hai since standing same base between the same parallel lines a area equal hi le a triangle gel kha area equal chi gel le mai area of triangle BDC equal to area of triangle BEC area of triangle BDC equal to area of triangle BEC yai khai equation 1 uchi la tua kha area of triangle ABC laka yai a triangle pum P laka kha yai BDC and minus ke ule area of triangle apum P ABC laka kha area of triangle BDC minus ke di on minus ke leute area of triangle BDC to kha BEC kha equal hin chin hiai tagen kha yan khe khiale hiai chu angei ma gel di area of triangle ABC hiai chu angei ma y zo chia minus hiai to hiai equal hin chin hiai ta kha hiai pen gel di area of triangle BEC ile tua kha a figure kha ABC chi kha a given triangle apum P hin chin hiai ABC laka BDC and minus ke leute hiai ABC laka BDC helam teng hon minus ke leute hon pai ke leute ADC only area of triangle ADC helam ale ABC laka BEC ABC hiai teng teng laka BEC on minus ke leute helam teng ABC laka BEC minus yak le AEB helam teng mo area of triangle AEB yai khai equation 2 now 2 divided by 1 we have equation 2 kha equation 1 on divide wala vela ma gel kha vela ma divide di takla ma gel kha takla ma divide di equation 2 kha atung lama area of triangle ADC by equation 1 na vela pang area of triangle BDC equal to yai le tung lama area of AEB by area of triangle BEC ye kha ratio hita to kha area of triangle ADC kha yai kha half into area of triangle ADC kha half into base into height ADC kha enleu te yai kha ADC hinjin yai apang pat khatom kha AD hinjin yai kha base alag di why che yai base to heya a perpendicular non drop pen kha yai pen kha yai lama ki drop suk teng kha yai lama triangle om tenga dia kha a perpendicular dia lag di ADC dia kha half into base into height or half into base kha ADC kha AD yai mai ma into height kha AD to ki perpendicular ki drop kha CH anway lama half into yai BDC kha base kha yai a perpendicular I drop sukna lam kha abi sahi BD into height kha CX ma ye to ye kat the equal to AEB kha base kha hi AEB height kha BG half into AE into BG half into BEC kha EC kha base EC into height BG ma at cut length. Therefore AD by BD equal to AE by EC. Ye kha approve kiyak de hi. Ye kha basic proportionality theorem ai. The triangles are similar. Ye kha case thum din sin a figure le thum ngai di. Ile a figure kha khat chau yel ma sadia. If the corresponding sides of two triangles, triangle ni kha ngai khot triangle khat kha ABC le a triangle dang khat pen kha DEF on chini ye kha figure 1 figure khat chawi gel phot dia ama pen pena kha given kha bang tenga given a statement a kipata kha a given kha bang tenga if the corresponding angles of two triangles are equal the triangles are similar a given ma pen su triangle ni hon kipia why triangle ni kha a corresponding angle ye atung le atung velampang le velampang right side le right side why corresponding angle te kha equal an kpi uchi le a given kha why triangle te gel in triangle ABC and triangle DEF ye triangle te gel khabang chi abanan gen khabangai chi le a corresponding angle lu kha equal corresponding angle kha hiat atung le tung angle A equal to angle D yai kha theta why cha a corresponding angle dang kha veilampang le veilampang angle B equal to angle E angle C equal to angle F yai teng kha given uchi le proof hiak di bang uchi a triangle gel kha a corresponding angle equal a hi le a triangle kha akibang similar hi chi an proofing chi kha equation a hi triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF ye khai proof kiat di uchi le he proof na dia kha a given omsa teng a kha proof kiat the lo in chin a theorem denma ma hi hit kha banga basic proportionality theorem huai izat I apply thi na dia kha huaya kha banga if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle chi in chin hiai a kha line parallel BC to parallel di kha yon draw ngai nge kha bang chi a draw di dan a condition kha hiai kha non join chiang a kha hiai kha mn on chi lete hiai mok draw di lo in chin hiai to hiai am equal to de an equal to df equal dia kha na draw di construction hiai a construction bol dan kha hiai dan hi ab a kha m lag di ac a kha n lag di m kha bang si lag di am to d equal dia n kha bang si lag di an to df equal dia take m n n on AB and AC huai a point kha bang si lag di such that AM equal to DE huai ti gel equal he dia kha lag di AM equal to DE AN equal to DF huai rồi chia join mn proof kha case thum kha then chin case 1 kha AB greater than DE AB greater than DE AB kha DE salian zo hi le M pen kha A le B ka la om dana khai case 1 yon la ka hi uchi le ma sapena kha hiai mn non join le het triangle neu kha tong hong ki form hiai triangle neu hong a construction hong ki form pen to hiai pen non compare di in triangle AM N and triangle DEF hiai galan compare lete mi tampin kha ngai tua somun chin hiai kha ngai tua diom lo hiai na gel hit sa te la khiat chung ngai mai dia compare na dia kha hiai ya enole am na kha given a bang angle kha equal a am na kha hiai angle a le angle d kha equal chi hiai given a om sa a proof him kha a given as a thena la given zap di why lo cha construction ang lut suk di why cha a given a construction hu cha kha hong ki dial le di why cha theorem hi sa te hong le apply the mon apply di a given kha yai a construction kha yai angle to yai angle equal hin chin a construction kha yai side to yai side equal yai side to yai side equal yai side yelin ate tua yai angle equal hi le SAS zat thei side angle side yai khat yon jang dia AM equal to DE by construction why do cha given a angle A equal to angle D given ngoài rồi chia construction luôn luôn đi ông sang cái này lạc số cái rồi ngay lo by construction by SAS axiom here side angle side axiom is a triangle tigel congruent nahi triangle AMN is congruent to triangle DEF. A triangle congruent chi lekha a corresponding side kha equal lo a corresponding angle kha equal lo why je ka u tu lak thei mai ide pen so here MN parallel to BC hi chi BP theorem e apply thik na ja kha ye so u thi jaga kha ya angle to ya angle equal on chi ole a triangle ye lai jaga a corresponding angle here lam to here lam equal chi gel thei angle AMN equal to angle E here angle E che kon gel kha a thei khel thei diom lo hi ya chu AMN chian gel se nga bang jakin angle M chinon gel leng here lam le angle M here lam le angle la M here lam gain ut kai jega kha a am le kon gel hi tua kha angle E to eno le ya given a E to bang equal B mo E ta ha bin khek khele angle AMN equal to angle B given uchi le here angle to here angle equal hi le here tigel angle kha banga corresponding angle here tigel equal le chu here angle bol to here line le here line here kha transversal long hi di here line to here line kha parallel chi nai mai therefore MN parallel to BC corresponding angle MN parallel to BC hi le bang pai mo non BP theorem kha triangle ABC here triangle ABC MN parallel to BC MN parallel to BC hi le chu BP theorem chi nai ta a corresponding side ratio AM by MB equal to AN by NC BP theorem approve hiak di gel thei mai bang jakin triangle ABC kha MN parallel to BC chi omai jaga kha BP theorem given hin chin approve hiak di direct gel thei wai kha apply da na hi le hi a ratio yon la kha AM by MB AN by NC ichi kha to AB by AM ichi no hon la leu te le a ratio kha akibang hi tho hi wai jaga hi ai atona la di ya AM a ratio hong ki bang tho lag dan tuam implies that AB by AM equal to AC by AM by BP theorem or AB by here kha a construction na bang to equal AM to DE equal AM tang kha DE gel non di DE AN tang kha DF gel non di a construction jang di AC by DF here kha equation 1 lệ tua khai hiấy mn khai hiấy hi che yon ro in chin bc to parallel la mn pen khai hiấy la mai chen ro bang hilete ai ke hiấy la ma le chen ro the ab to parallel la hiấy dan chen hi suk lete hiấy ang suak di why jaga kha similarly chia zo the mai gen dan the siang ya hiấy tua construction yon bol na kha he hon join nga mn parallel to bc he yon join le kha mn parallel to bc ong port ya m hian law nan n pen hian hon la leute mn parallel to ac hong hi di he dan chen hi liang he khang port di ai ke le he lam ma hoi jaga he ti gel khat pen khát pen on lao lan ab by de equal to he ila khang nai lo kha aside kha he ato gel a base te gel bc by ef e kha equation 2 from 1 and 2 we have equation 1 là 2 on go mo le ab ong ki bang atom kha yai teng yai ab khat lag bi ave ka kha equal swak vek chi nai ab by de ac by df bc by ef ye kha case khát dấu ta abana case tu na case tu na kha a figure d on gel thak non leng A, B, C, M, N. D, E, F. Vậy case 2 na kha case 1 na kha AB greater than DE. Why zo kha AB kha D salian zo. AB kha D to kikim. Athum na kha AB kha DE san yu zo. Thumom thei ma equal to DE. Vậy M coincide with B. A given thing lai thi sa in sin here side khat khai a case kha AB equal to D chi hongom be AB equal to D kha hon jong khia le ya AB equal to DE hile a given kha angle A to angle kha equal angle A le D equal hoi cha B le E le equal here side ta angle om tegel ya here angle te kha equal hi le kha side khat angle ni huai kha by ASA kha a triangle kha congruent hi chi the. Then by ASA axiom triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. ASA kha triangle congruent mu chi le triangle congruent le chu a corresponding side equal lo AB equal to DE, AC equal to DF, BC equal to EF chi nai mai. Therefore a triangle congruent hi le AB equal to DE yal thei ya om sa, AC equal to DF yal thei abana, BC equal to EF le yal thei. A khan transfer le te or AB by DE equal to 1, AC by DF equal to 1, BC by EF equal to 1. 1 ngen to equal hi ule hi ratio te kha equal ve ka hi chi nai mai. AB by DE equal to AC by DF equal to BC by EF. Yai kha case 2. Abana case 3 na. Yai figure man sen leng. Case 3 kha M lies on AB produce already. Yai kha M N. When AB less than DE, M lies on AB produce. M เปลี่ยนค่าใช้ AB produce AB เปลี่ยนค่า D สารเดียวจบเลย M lies on AB produce ไว้ค่าทัดเกสใส่ย้ายทัดเกสเปลี่ยนค่าเกส1เปลี่ยนโต๊ะฟิกเกอร์ห้องกี่บางยินจิน M อมน้องกี่บางเหล่าเจ้าไว้จะก็เกส1ดันฮีเล่ห้องโปรตีจะก็ค่า geometry ค่าย้ายดันที่ค่า similarly จะโจทย์ให้ไหมas in case 1 we can show that MN parallel to BC. Arrive at case thum tengel leng here ratio kha equal veka hi a case tenga AB by DE equal to AC by DF equal to BC by EF. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to DEF. Here is a similarity. Abana state and prove Pythagoras theorem. Here akha in right triangle chin a given kha right triangle hipot keu mai A B C right angle kha A on jiliang here kha given here right triangle here right angle kha A a hi le a side sau pen ben kha right angle ma om BC a hi hypotenuse kha BC given kha in triangle ABC angle A equal to 90 degree yai kha given ni mai atom zonga right triangle hi chi na uchi dei proof here dikha banga to prove proof yak dikha the square of the hypotenuse a hypotenuse kha kongen hit 90 ma om 90 ma a here angle aki honna here lam here ma a om BC square equal to adang side ni integral square gom khom. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of square of the other two sides. AB square plus AC square. Ye khai proof kiya di. Construction na ye proof na dia kha triangle khat kiyo min chin similar triangle kha ihon construct de hi. Why construct dia kha here angle A perpendicular hon rok suk leute here perpendicular in kha here right triangle ABC kha right triangle ni on swa di ye kha dion chile draw AD perpendicular to BC meeting proof proof ipat nang chu here AD non ro suk le right triangle ni ong ki form ama sa pena kha here perpendicular apang lang khata here right triangle here ABD to ABC a given triangle kan compare di right triangle tua ka hi similar hi thi sa chu hi in triangle ABC and triangle ABD A similarity triangle non compare wa angle ni kha a angle a corresponding angle ni equal khille atha te angle kha equal lo chi om lawei moi jega kha to kha compare na dia ABC triangle ABC kha 90 kha akoi zona ya box zone kha 90 mo angle A kha 90 BAC kha 90 angle BAC equal to moi chia ye a triangle apang khata om pen 90 zone kha ADB heron ta kha 90 angle ADB it's 90 degree abana LA angle equal on lai ha ye triangle ABC kha ye angle khat moi cha ABD kha ye a common angle ABC ale angle khat ABD ale angle khat angle ABC equal to angle ABD C le di kya ong ki bang lo am ki ong ki bang lo angle chu ki bang hi ye kha common by AA similarity triangle ABC similar to triangle ABD you le a corresponding side te kha ratio lak thi hypo ratio la directly gel the directly gel di lekha ye dana gel di ye ABC ya ato BC into ye ABD ya kha ato kha BC into ye triangle neu pena kha BD oi che a side full a common ani ko kha AB chingoi kha AB square BC into ye full BC into BD equal to ye side full ani ko kha AB square ye kha equation 1 ile similarly apang lang khata triangle ABC a given triangle to apang lang khata ACD triangle ACD le similar ai dan chen hi liam therefore ya ile chalang on di BC into DC equal to AC square BC into DC equal to AC square ye kha equation 2 1 plus 2 we have equation 1 la tun gom le hang velam gel kha velam gom di BC into BD plus BC DC equal to right side gel right side agom di AB square plus AC square BC common lakia the yai inside bracket the BD yai lakia le BD om ye BC lakia le DC om equal to AC square or BC into BD plus DC kha ya BD plus DC kha BC ma BC equal to or BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. Ini kha Pythagoras theorem ai. Theorem khat khati hi lai dia. Yai kha theorem 7.2 7.3 the internal bisector of an angle of a triangle given a triangle khat kha given hipot pe ma ai A, B, C. The internal bisector triangle internal angle kha thumum while ka khat kha bisector on roliang bisector si chu a angle akim ge kha ni swadi e kha bisector hile e bisector in kha amaya om he side kha a divide na ratio he ratio to other two side ratio kha equal hi chi kha proof di given in triangle ABC AD bisect angle BAC bisect chi le chu yai angle ti kha equal hi chi nai that is angle BAD equal to angle CAD yai abana to prove here the internal bisector of an angle of a triangle divide the opposite side chi kha hi here divide the ratio divide the opposite side in the ratio of the other two side ka ye a divide the ratio BD by DC equal to AB by AC e ka proof kiya di a construction kha a theorem apoimo hi masak pen BP theorem ong iswat theina dia kha parallel lines kha om te ngai why dia kha hiai on production lan on produce di why cha hiai AD parallel to CE CE draw CE parallel to CE parallel to AD meeting produce at E proof and leo the BP theorem yai in triangle BEC kha AD le CE kha parallel yai kha construction nahi CE le AD kha parallel ai le the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Yai ka BP theorem. Why ka applying all le. Ama sa pere na given on laki basan ni. We have angle BAD equal to angle CAD given upon given in triangle BEC CE parallel to AD. Yai ka BP theorem ita mo. Yai triangle ka yai to yai parallel hi le. BD by DC equal to AB by AE. BD by DC equal to AB by AE. Yai equation to BP theorem. Approve ya gitu yang leng ya. Yai la dikin. Yai la dik adik lo ka AC to AE. Yai gel ka akikima hi chi iso the e le ka azo hi mai. Yai gel ka akikima hi chi iso khiat di. To iso na dia ka yai ka given na equal chi equation 1 omkin. To ka yai AD parallel to CE chi huai pan sana ka yon hi ngai. Yai tigel parallel hi le yai ka en leu te yai dana. Hi chi yai ka transversal. Yai ka transversal long hi. Yai angle to yai angle ka equal. Alternate angle. Yai to yai equal. CE parallel to AD and ACN BE are transversal. Therefore, alternate angle CAD yai to ACE. Angle CAD equal to angle ACE. Or uan on jang le CAD to BAD ka equal. Angle BAD equal to angle ACE. Này ka equation 3 using 1. Abana BE ka transversal hi le hi chi yai ka transversal hi yai a corresponding angle ka yai to yai hinon. Also angle BAD equal to angle AEC. Or BAD tan ka AC yon ko ole. Angle ACE equal to angle AEC using 3. BAD akibang. Yel ka equal si nai mai ma. Hele ACE chi kha yai kal. AEC chi kha yai kal. Yai triangle kha yai angle to yai angle equal hi le. Triangle yai ka isosceles triangle hi chi nai chin. Yai angle ma side tom yai to yai angle ma side tom yai equal hi chi nai mai. Angle ni equal le side ni equal. ACE ma sai tom kha AE implies that AE equal to AEC ma sai tom kha AC. To kha hiai ahon koi kheliam AE to AC equal lai le hia AC on koi kheleu ti approve hiap di suang ma putting AE equal to AC in 2 we get BD by DC equal to AB by AC. Yeah, I have proof here.